welcome to Menora Academy by Pastor O. Kenneth. Always remember to share, to like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Today we'll be looking at sum of terms in AP. The sum of terms in AP, and then sum of term in AP is given by Sn equals to n over 2 into bracket of 2a plus into bracket of 2 minus 1 in bracket, then with multiplied by the common difference. So I have talked about the n term, so you can go and watch that video on that. Today we'll be looking at the sum of terms in AP, or you can also have the sum of term in AP to be 2n over 2 into a plus l, where this l is the last term, all right? So now, if the last term is known and the first term is known, then you can use this, to find your AP. Majorly, this kind of formula is used in JAMB because it will bring you questions that you can just press calculator straight away and get the answer. All right. So now we have some questions here. We have question 1, question 2, and question 3. Okay. So now this question 1 is very, very important. I will not be starting from question 1. I'll be solving it last. And you need this question 1. It's what you actually need. But I'll use this question 2 and question 3 as a background, to see how I can explain one or two things. Now let's go to question 2 straight away. Question number 2. The question says find the sum of the first 25 terms of the sequence. This is the sequence. The sequence is given 11, 15, 19, 23, and 27. So first of all, from this sequence, our A is given to be 11. That is the first term. The first term is 11. And then the common difference, which is D, will be equals to the second term minus the first term, which is 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 gives us 4. That is 4. So we have 4 there, and that is our common difference. So now they are asking us to find the sum of the 25 term, which is S25. It's not given. But from this particular formula, we have our xn to be equals to n over what? Over 2, all into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1, close bracket, then d. Alright, so our x of 25 will be equals to 25 all over what? All over 2 in bracket of 2 multiplied by the first term, which is 11, close bracket, then plus into n is still 25 minus 1, close your bracket, d is 4. So to have the bracket closed, so this is going to be 25 divided by 2. We still leave it 25 over 2. All the bracket of 2 times 11 is 22. Then plus 25 minus 1 is 24. So 24 times 4. 24 times 4 is 96. 96. So now that we have our 96, this is going to be equals to 25 over 2. All in bracket of 96 plus 22 is going to give us 118. So you have your 118. So now this is going to be 25 times 118 divided by 2. 25 times 118 divided by 2 will give us 1475. So this is the sum. We have finished in solving this second question. Now question 3, very fast. Look at question 3. The sum of 11 terms of an AP is 891. So in this question 3, x of 11 terms is given to be 891. That is, the sum is given. Find the 28th and the 45th term if the common difference is 15. So the common difference too is given to be what? 15. So we are asked to find our T of 28 is not given, and also T of 45, the 45th term is not also given. All right, so I have shown you how to solve n term from the previous video, so you can go and watch it if you don't know how to solve the n term. Always follow the video sequentially. So now from here we say that our xn is equals to, the formula is n all over 2, all in bracket of 2a, then plus n minus 1, close bracket, d, then in major bracket. So our Sn, which is x11, is given. So our x11 is now going to be 11 over 2, then open your bracket 2 into, if you look at this very well, what they are asking us to find is the 28 term and the 45 term. But remember, our A is not given, so the target is to find our A. So here will be what? 2A plus into 11 minus 1. Then our D is given to be what? To be 15. Then this 11th term is given to be equals to 891. So 11th term is given. So now we are going to have our 11 over 2 all in bracket of 2A, then plus. We have 11 minus 1 is 10. Then 10 times 15. 10 times 15 is 150. So now that we have 150, is everything now is equals to 891. So we are going to forget about this left hand side. So we solve, algebraically. So solving algebraically now, we are going to open this bracket, by this. If you open this bracket, you discover that these two, we cancel these two from this bracket. So we are left with 11. 11 times A will be 11A. Then plus 11 over 2 multiplied by 150 is going to be, first of all, 11 times 150 is going to give us 1650, and that 1650 you need to divide it by 2. So by the time you divide it by 2, it's going to give us 825. So we use 11 over 2 to multiply this. It will give us 11A, because the 2 of this will cancel the 2 of this. Then 11 times A will be this. Then 11 over 2 again multiplied by this will give us exactly this figure, and which is going to be equals to 891. At this point, we are going to collect the like term. You collect like term. To collect the like term, we are going to have our 11A to be equals to 11A to be equals to 891. 891 minus 825. So 11A will be equals to our 891 minus 825 is going to be 66. So therefore, our A will be equals to 66 over 11. So 66 over 11 will give us, divided by 11 will give us 6. So our A is 6. Now that our A is 6, we are going to find T of 45 now. But remember, T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1, all in bracket of D. Then T of 45, okay, T of 28 first. T of 28 first, this is 28. So T of 28 will be equals to, the first time is what? Is 6. Then plus our n will be 28 minus 1, close bracket. Then our D is given from the beginning. Our D is given to be 15. So this is going to be 15. So this is going to eventually give us 6 plus 28 minus 1 is 27. And that 27 times 15 is going to give us 405. And this is going to be equals to 405 plus 6 will give us 411. So we are done with T of 28. Now the next one is T of 45. T of 45, the first term is what? Is 6. Then plus into 45 minus 1, close your bracket. The D is still 15, so we have it out there. So this is going to be 6 plus 45 minus 1 is 44. Then 44 times 15, 44 times 15 is 660. And then 660 plus this 6, if you add 6 to it, it's going to be 666. So we are done with this question. Okay? Then, very fast, now we go back to question 1. Question 1 is very, very important. Now look at question 1 now. Let me teach you. This question 1 is going to be what give a lot of people problem, but right now I'm going to dissolve it for you. All right? So let's do it together. Let's do it together. If you look at this question 1, you are going to agree with me that this question will lead to simultaneous equation. The 19th term and the 22nd terms of an AP are 29 and 45. So we are going to start like this, that our T of 19 our t of 19, our t of 9 rather, is given to be 29, comma, then our t of t of 22 is given to be what? 55. Okay, respectively. Find the sum of the what? First 60 term. So what you are asking us to find is x of 60, which is not given. But before we find x of 60, remember we are going to find our a. We need to find a and we need to find our d, so that we can be able to use the formula of sum, to find a sum of what? Of 60. So before then, let us find a. How do we find a? Remember, t of n is always equals to a plus n minus 1, close bracket, then our d. So let's substitute now. So first of all, t of 9. T of 9 is given to be 29, so it's going to be the a plus n now will be what? 9 minus 1, close bracket. Then we have our d is not given, and then the t of n is what? Is 29. So here, forget about the left hand side now. We have a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 times d is 8d, which is equal to 29. We call this one equation 1. Now that we have equation 1, the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to have our t of 22. So t of 22 now, our t of 22 will be ca plus into our n now is 22 this time around, minus 1, close bracket, then our d. Then t of 22 is given to be 55. So forget about the left hand side now. We have a plus 22 minus 1. 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 times d is 21 what? D, which is equals to 55. This is equation what? 2. Then this equation 2, then we can say from equation 1, we are going to make a the subject of the formula. So a is going to be equals to 29 minus 8d. So therefore, we put 29 minus 8d for a in equation 2. So our equation 2 is a plus 21d equals to 55. So we substitute the value of a now, which is what? 29 minus 8d plus 21d equals to 55. So now we are going to have 29 minus 8d minus 8 plus 21d is going to give us 13 plus 13d, which is what? 55. So we collect right term. So our 13d will be equals to 55 minus 29. So 13d will be equals to our 55 minus 29 is going to be 26. So therefore, our d is going to be 26 all over 13. And 26 divided by 13 is going to give us 2. So our d is 2. Then from here, our a is equals to what? 29 minus 8d. So we substitute for d now to get our a, which is 29 minus 8 times 2, because d is now 2. So we have our a now to be equals to 29 minus 8 times 2 is 16. So this is going to be 29. 29 minus 16 is going to be what? 13. So our a and then our d is, we have them 13 and 2. So now the main question is, we should find the x of what? X of 60. X of 60 is not given. But recall that our xn is equals to n over 2. N over 2 into bracket of what? Of 2a, then plus into bracket of n minus 1, close bracket of d, then close the bracket. So x of 60 now be equals to 60 all over 2, bracket of 2 times a now is what? Our a is 13, plus our n is 60 minus 1, close bracket, our d now is what? Is 2. So this is going to be equals to, this divided by 60 divided by 2 is what? Is 30. Then into bracket of 2 times is 13. 2 times 13 is 26. We have 26 plus 6. 60 minus 1 is 59. 59 times 2. 59 times 2 is going to give us 118. Close bracket. 118. So this is going to be equals to our 30 in 30 in bracket 118 plus 26 is going to be equals to 114. So this is going to be equals to 30 times 114. 30 times 114 is going to give us 30 times 114 will give us 30 times 114, 30 times 114 will give us is going to give us 420, which is the sum. So with this, I believe you can solve sum of what? Of terms in AP. So please like, share, and comment. This is Menora Academy bringing this to you. So always ask your question in the comment section, or send your question to my WhatsApp platform, or ask anything inquiries, send them to my WhatsApp platform. Alright, my details is on the screen. Thank you very much.